kitewia adwubi kitewia na me so dia e ma no a omo so omo mpese omo befa yofuno e bia wa wododo opese otitimu a Dr. Sama me kurubia and ye senkrokura se me fa
okay mame enchia Honorable Stephen Pambin Jalula is a member of parliament for Pru West Bono East region Oba Kumasi na onamkwaso konkran o si otie eti honorable have a wonderful and a safe trip to Accra. We wish you all the boy Deputy Minister Roads and Highways.
And the onya kwan ye na kwan dia say enkranfa ya wonam si wonaboro wa ho
ombesha ni na o fansro. Honorable Steve Pambin Jalula Pru West. The Pru West 40 tie no.
Pru no so ye
Bono East region.
Obuno mamu ho.
Bono East wo mu tie ye keke Pru West. Aju bi mami tio.
Omanhene honorable tie ya okwe. Na de ye kan se nyame mfa no nkudru na so ye kan ne se ne di hie bia apomuden na techima no onfa ne nche Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services odru nkran a onfa apomuden papa emfa ma ne di hie no na Omanhene se ye maame wodo asku a wono ankos kasa okoy gentete a wasan so aben ho wa bibiduro mu a se no waba say Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services essentially referral clinic no eno danchan a say nyame aye nadom wo se bema sebe ne bema aye kojo to no 5 days enenum brem na say wodi si o ma na gina ne nan so apaja boadwuma kama pa di aye kojo to no Dr. Grace Bodu Dr. One Touch wodi nenum ne wo tonchia e de asi honom no aka kire se obepeja mu di amount afenso so Dr. Dress ko ba ye na woyi ne ti no wo se sense wakwaje ntete no hu ne se ye nuane a ye die ne mo ayen na chemicals adoso na no na ma yare ahodo na eba ye nipadua mu nti no se dubra ene habama no odin pa na Dr. Grace Bodu de ye adwuma enu ntinchi ato ne de wogusu a woto
that's right
na wotwe a ne ene nyina akwa rounds no wo mo hu ye bi mo ho a no ye ka o mo je achinyi ye besi form no no mo abegina ho no mo hwe linko na se doctor wo yusu no obi de beto nchia na awo ho ye diama no hopeless situation wa awo mu ahinasa ena doctor nyame na no so e ma ode ma sa ba ma ni obai a papa baaye wo se doctor me no beto nchia sanse bede me yire na nante abre me de na china bre enso awo na bi ma bosume kura nso ma sebe me yiri ne bra kura mpa ho enso so obeduru Dr. Grace Bodu asoe no wo se na minim se doctor be se dro kakraka bibi kunkuntai bi wo se doctor ka chense ma manisha se fruits wo kire no aye wo wi o se wo bayre wo we wo afi wase mami pa sebe ekoyie na yire no kura chese papa no won de ne gidi afiri me san se baby am koye se nura kese ne ade ma me kura no ma hunu so na de mami kike de ne yire se me yenye nyame adom ahinasa eno de Lincoln eba wase ye no nam de beto nchia doctor me wadaroma wa ya ma me ntije se no na doctor yusu enye no nkwa Land Cruisers enkrofo de abeto nchia doctor nyame adom wabua fa omo so anase wo fa beka cho se wadi wo mo na doso enti se wo hwe me anase wotie me na no pe ya wo di hie na bibia kire ne so no afei Dr. Grace Bodu wo dosu ko na oba ye Dr. One Touch wo se wo di hie na nyame aya na doma chese wono ankasa anka otiase anka na ho odin sisi no ho so na nso enne bibinti na pomudin atechema na se wo that life supporting bed so a doctor for declare no se wonye yie no Dr. Grace Bodu se fa ne bra wono beto nchia ne yenhwe se wo de hye no enkwa wonimu anaso se enkwa ni mu bio se nyame age ne nkwa na kire se ahaban na nyame ahaban a boy se ye ni aduaba ne fa na haban ne nsan yare no eye edi tro mu honom Tree of Life enkwadua na nyame dua ohonom se eno ngi ye nkwa no na chese se dua no eni hobiem is no more enti se dua no wo ho na se nyame ahye nkoma to so se ye ni aduaba ne fa na haba ne nsan yare na dua na gi ye nkwa de a ene na medofo pa me kanfo Dr. Grace Bodu dia ma se bomoden na fa ode hye ne bresan se empanifo bu bibi se de onim to no won ye de ni gina tro no ano enna de opa bibia kokotoko no so ye nya na bro nim de anyame de ama Dr. Grace Boadu Dr. One Touch no e bro so chen so ne sesu bi eni wiase enti Dr. Grace Boadu aba ma wiase nyina da ena no amko Dubai ai enka me hu ye ka bibini de wusi dan akwasi broni sebe ne cho bibini oba besia okosa ne cho na so Dr. Grace Boadu na wochepom kodi ye no echo eduru se omoba fa moba na oche na ni nyina nane enti sa oba besia we sanim die we nyame de adom mami eno na me kanfo di ho adanse de ama se bomode ne yensom ni amfa yen utilize na beboa ye ama ya pom de no esisi ne ho so na tu yare ase Grace Gift Herbal Clinic ye tu yare ase ye manage yare
ayo enti yes so de no beden enti yes so de mesremo ye ekoma awafo a omo wawo so wa akoda ababa wa wasisu a bubu edua sisu aso se mampam enye wonti na meka mesro se bia awo no opeso titimu ase de wiemu asi aye hinenti ofofo aso a wanhwe be hadwene na so opeso titimu a so obekosira nimu a so ansa aswota awia bopa na sukom de na wonya ensu a achidi a ya na edepa nanso bema unum ne mebire kura ma mema sem ekofom emfa nhye wo ho saa so wote ya nso eboama ewo awo ntitiem enti so bekosina animu a pensu a achidie pa broko edem de ababa kuku a openi bi ya fesi ho na odi si ho a fre dokota me yesa me kira emaba no ede be hadwene enti wonya nsu achidi pa wo bekosina animu a Fred Dr. Glace number me de betu dwai na obekire wade bia ka ho ukunu anaso ho kane no sebe owiwi a obenum suyo no e wo kwan bi so a ema awo no ema enti monye ababa ne number ya wode be frɛ no e wo hwim sukun kwanta enkran so ye wo nu atwemota petroleum nu atwemota petroleum ne no manini salo 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
cello
00
tele cello
30
cello 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
cello
00
tele cello
30
ana cello 242
0242
72
52
52 74 cello 242
0242
72 52 74 eda ahwefo nyina ase
ahwefo ne atifo so damase adwobi kete ene wo fa kwadwo ena mote wo monka no dase ne yebesa ne mo siafo ne kire ohwim Dr. Grace Boadu atenase de ohia wo ne how bia no fabra na eniema no enkoso anopai the communication director in Ashanti region on behalf of the New Patriotic Party is with me here for a discuss. Your friend, Dennis Kwakwa ne mpom to say.
Oman me hoya me jidi so so hoya.
Ye ho adom bibia boko ye ho ye pa.
Ah said ho afede.
Ah me that's ya. No pa de adwade do say ya no asiesie ho no atiesi. Na
coffee ba.
Dine set. I'm so communicate some the most simple say ya. Yeah, me office am wo na me ba office as me ba na kuti.
Me free am office ya.
Na kuti. Okay. Ye din komo. His Excellency the former president to say 20 from the Fourth Republic ayaba this year no. Ye pescam government ayenanado. Amemo 2. The judicial system. Omo image as sinke say Ghana will need a new chief justice to change it. And so there's a need for a new chief justice. Papa always say on call retirement. We need fear cry or be fear enuma se do cry one him. It is on penny that can say there's a need for a new chief justice because the current one no he has sunk the image of the judiciary. Now or can I say yeah. I say a memo no the most political scam of the Fourth Republic. Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Me too.
Oma me da se. Na ncha atiefo ne ahwefo nyina. Na meba onsem no so. Batansa na meba so ma menye afisem kakra onse me free mampon na nema bi koso mampon kwa no ho kakra bi a me pese me de tudwa me
mampon kunu
enye kon no tra kon no obokokura di ka free ni
19
yeah tra video to bon se ho na be sane free 10 bi no where to say the okobo be pon foforo na afro mampon akodom from junction na so many years ago I mean me went free almost 10 years. That day me kai na me omampon when you tell say gas tank bi ahwe ho na ahwe ho sa menanum ho in fact me that day na me respected gas because our tank kakra na Dakar no so na ko na mu apa mienu from 3 to 3 pa ma fa koto ba bi ma fa koto ba bi na kwan no asphalt no on so mampani that Rollins time na ya mampon road na besi nei so fa sa kwan no so a den so be hu portal ba kokra wo so interbeting for your kwan ye pa enti ukodru has a gas na ma from ho kakra bi ejudidwiriye you see the impact of gas ejudidwiri asphalt na kakra and highways for no ko where the failing ke to bi ko share ho ene ye mpese ye betu ne din ho kakra no ensu no talk ase pa no I started say no the stretch na less than 20 meters o kan nyina akra 20 meters no nipa wu ho and this is the second accident sa portal no de aba kwan kese a ye ntwen ma we nso nsa ma
highway for
no ntwen ma say bi wu ye popular bi anka say de moto girl yoko wo be chem kwan yesu
musician
yeah anka sabre nke bi a nipa bi sa na wu ya ebony watu ni ba bi din ebony junction ebony road ye mpe bi wo mampon yesre and they held a road minister or wade bi also friend emergency response who say kwan no asema ba na ya ebe ha adwanya afi no otwen akọ procurement otumi suma contractor monko yemwe ne kotona senka ne ka ho asem ebe sre highways for Washington region mampo kwan we de moma na ntra ho nchesa monko ye man na na social media me krum youth no ne abre omu hiti me das na afi mencha regional minister na last week on so call mid the press
that's right
and in fact response was free miami abebere e baaye no so and in delivery and then some okokan am send through him now will show evidence what is actually happening in Ashanti region chira Ghana for nyina na nkrofo ho adwuru omo ti abebo na MMDCs ne assembly for connect council for nyina abaso de omutumi koye mai na fe regional chairman wontumi ne party for nyina so ma chair na former president Mahama the West Cam na your normal.
But me fan to just say share asafo Jesu anim.
Baba. President Mahama no mu na West Cam. The West Cam na your normal. Enti ono they say the person
the West Cam no ye why.
Your normal no na West Cam.
Why?
Na dey no scam what is scam ase?
I hope you heard that.
Na ono we den Mahama who is Mahama? Wan kasa me ma kwan say describe Mahama now so untwantro.
Mahama is the former president of Ghana.
Former president in your personality.
What do you want me to say?
Me can say describe now then. Onya scam.
He's a former president.
And to church say scam uche na da. Onya na da for no na scam. Opa argue, but minim so ni argument bi aye ma no because he's a scam. We have former president and near brigidi so sa person be di Ghana so bio. Na say je kum otia simpo no. Your friend Osama na owu. When he knew said 2016 obehia re-election kra no. Ama mo pen no de ma Ghana for kasa ben no de ma ye na da ben no na da entro ben no ntwaye and there was say wakofi aka 4 years a constitution we man no kwan so media dia so media emra man no kwan bi so media de na sabrebo otwampoa as a former president of Takonwa so twedi pampoa basa and also ba bi our friends so the timpo na eba papa ben na eba who is John Mahama John Mahama no ono na Ghana for mo ye na dom through assembly of assembly mo be di MP be di deputy minister di minister be di vice president di president and also asa will be fufuro be ma Ghana for bi ye de ama ni nyina o se wantumi anya do person ma Ghana aka den e na aka so hono ankasa na ye na ada o pakwan bi so asa betra Ghana so na 4 years presidency amode ma no all free so no box site e wo nyina hini otumi tam de mani nua Ibrahim Mahama and to friends 4 years na aka na won me pay election bi no ba modema na de no de be and Adana no and Adan packaging hono sorry when you communicators the sasa for Jemo. No one am no born hodaru and I said the same say jata omoke kabia no mo kabidi. Don Mahama himself is the scam.
He says the political scam of the side.
They say he is a scam. On crowd he's talking about political scam. Say
Akufo-Addo
scam will be on one scam no. And so say virus who dry the virus on na yedru. And say scam be wo hor na person to say on na scam on na dey be yedru ama scam. Because it's the disease itself. Don Mahama's personality is scam. You to chrome her. Oba catch the Ghana for say, wo your babunu. And to you na say to aba mama aba. Obedru Ghana. Mabunu ma otumi ma obedi wo mo so no. Ombebu say odwa also onya magician wa creative wa conjure adwuma free wiem. Also ntumi conjure adwuma emfiri wiem. Emfama. Oba ye Ghana for ade na o mo pe wo ho na bi ye kanea. Ebra ye ka cho se kanea ye nya kanea mo ebeda no so. Wa ye de obetumi bia wontumi ade aka se Ghana for betua mo. Se pese da kanea ma ye ntua mo. Ghana for ntumi ntua mo ntuma ye da sumu sa akopem so hand over e wo Ghana ha. Oko come so and Mahama kofa power plant. We told the people of this country say soon na done na a problem any generation capacity because now the mobile be in can from Kwame Nkrumah person enya capacity no they na can say so kofa but we be see ho. That's why I'm friends with aguma enye water a bottle and until uncle for crude oil megu ade no hwe say enya adwuma. Okaka comes there be possible but any day in this country Mahama ye president and no person no me no that can be a dana black star ball now the whole Ghana to nya kan ameba so what that meant and said now opeso ye me dem e betunya dem but no nya na so be na me no kasa Mary when him say Mary plant and it is not on stream it is on contract why no more negotiation say we are even moving it from maybe a one Adea Akye because generative power no long distance is now transmitted losses no partly because of distance power no so that from Kumasi to the northern sector no ebema losses in electricity transmission abafo and it is not on stream but Ghana ni bi en hoda sum because you see a Russian power AXA enya adwuma se see o contractor wa yen renew enya adwuma but Ghana for nyina adaka so the problem has never been totally because of generational capacity and now what ho Onna Ghana for nyina kan na wotumi kasa within one moment na Ghana nyina aton kan to the obaye na say oba church nsemu basa. He is a scam. And ultimately Omanhene Akufo-Addo amambo na ye kan na say scam no. Enye perfect administration asabe boni bia ni ho. Enye administration asabe nkeka wantumi ma ho. Nanso yeso onye obaye ka kire do ha bi pen. We are talking about a former president wantumi ankriti adwuma wo so wonya magician. We are talking about a former president so only president that wantumi ntunfo. We are talking about former president, parliament, oil agreement, or the balloon, former vice president, just said, foolish to express themselves on matters of national consensus. Bra parliament now rising through the vice president, or so only president that will be and that is the person we are talking about. And a person packaging, he's just so black like asphalt. And I'm sorry, I'm person the card painting who be out of Ghana for pentimento. Dear police, and then somebody cost a yes come. What is what baby? What is our baby? I can say, maybe I win a maida. I can be that. The car,
yeah, you prepare his.
Oh, but prepare the anti come now or put in who's what idea, the idea not about one has come. And I was say, oh, Akufo-Addo and T. When I saw IMF on time because solution friends said, but Churoma economy in the IMF. A baby, you know, they were. Saga IMF from say am a mobile ntina de akomeba enti no se yem kono just say bu man bo no no ho anko baye ya so de ya de no de ba. You tell the people of this country say Akufo-Addo scam na say wo baye Kumasi for na mo krom kwan na no mo betra krom ha no I asked the pariado me ni ko show na mo ka chere say wo free ho baye no ka ohun say de na ka ho te ho hyen because Kumasi gata na mo ja to ho mo kwa na yasi ni nyina etimo be drive ko Jemonix akoya do ka fa kwan so be drum kran afi kura ma ho Kumasi na omoja to ho na omoko na om so omde sika kokko kura gusu aye ni nso no na do de ko tare na gusu so asante mani aso what you say anunti who is John Mahama omeka say oh me ba e maburu no time na menya magician ti na nurse ni wie school a wotimi tena fie 4-5 years aye impostu na me si hospital sawie no afei de misi hospitals na wi anase Akufo-Addo wato aso wi ntimi ba mefuma om kan no na maburu peso om te all the youth want to hear the ononim ye Adea woni me yana say in a very difficult situation so odwene no anya solution there are problems there. It's not that person.
On the casa.
I know na kana wo from vice president on President Mills and I do so shas here from 2012. When Namu as vice president, basic president 4 years one to me answer, but they be no between us Obama. The problem started when he was vice president or graduated. Let's assume without admitting, say, numbers of crime and engagement, which are no crime, and not from because or no catch a Ghana for Professor Mills, what she said, or no BBA. And the problem na shall see any blue no 5 years. 1 to me and twice here perpetually I'm a Ghana phone. And the day be now catch away so the former President Mahama or no the time and a Ghana. So sorry. Now what are shall we? Oversaw the Belgium, I just saw to and bravo you should 2 weeks because can I buy just 2 weeks beyond the Biaba. A day baby, a day in Fana can't you will be fee. And of course, now Tim to do the day as a Ghana for a short memory, and I no crana. Is that where we are going to? A one echo, and until now the Danko Kufuado Membono, make us it's not of perfection, but obey. And near my the Ghana for bit is a free education, ma one Tom, no one as I catch a Ghana for say. I want to buy and review and some can come out for me. That's what they're advising. Say, I may pa, or pursue my hotel. Yes, some for sa can I try free education come out for. That is what they call review. Now, a review is Abria, must have hotel, my own side, the Sakanabra Phobia. Then you have to tribune. And until the end or day ba. Double track na. Ya de ba free education na man kura no nyina we kofi kakra no obi mra no say or kojina President Mahama kojina commander bra de double track be ka say nyansa bi anim and the nyansa no wa no de aye adwuma from the bra obedi vice president obedi president and say kura no bi nko school ma bi ntrafi because 2008 we mo ba power 4 year school na we calendar for free SHS so mo man twa ma first batch kura gbe a whole professor of university professor Amos no president e je football ni friend this for twa mu abra na first batch. And it turned out to be saying 2011, about first batch of 4 years, 4 years. But there they said, not Ghana, a free SHS results, Papa Bienwa, never through 4 years. Down 4 years. But I'm catch Ghana for see a school dying. It is a bit to me, yeah, young chairman was school dying. A bra moko no KSTS school nurse who on a chance there. Yes, from Moko dancing and I'm the sim. Moko tia mass and dancing and I'm the that's not an I'm the prempe. And Mobebu among 8 years, I the free education bar. The same excuse to say Ghana school dining hall. And Tiakufado Abano says school down, the best you. Yan shall say free baby, name Korean baby. You really say double track, a being called being bra, was say, oh, Nansen. Now, what then a man with drum of many and free squammer species and another honor. Answer Ghana for here for ma. And until solution there will be. And one on our packaging who are person the Ghana for us an alternative. One on the scam. And ya member your political scams and your person they refer to be on one no yes scam. Na me can say vaccine ya hwehwe no virus I said dem vaccine because on one kasa ne DNA e ntro DNA konkonsa ne DNA na die. That is who John Mahama is. I don't think Nana Danko Akufo don remain focused. O man no den. O man for can be say ne memo ayeden no krai. Bibia boa ayeden because of dollar no. Dollar no o man one thing esa Ghana for cheche mu mete ho asene say you betumi am dollar abafo aban no apo betumi am dollar abafo adentia because less than 6 months in 2022 now crude oil import is just about 30% less than the import in the whole of 2021. That's our balance still also increase the import of crude am here the generative power am here be of filling station here there. That's a Ghana for friends how chaba buy just $1 no I de kokra na dollar ne bo bebafo but I no ne pay and no be boy MY it won't help us because mo betum adwuma mo antuma crude oil na ne bo koso wi asenti na pump no ne bo aye de no mo be duru ba bi mo ntumi nto empower saade we mani panyina nti eno nti ne okọ ba bi a ye barber shop for wa kane aboy de ba na anu e na wo dia yusu no ofie no anyere ho a o tua more than obi dia de ye barber wo ti obi dia de hairdresser wo tia welder de nyuma ketenkete ni nyina na o ma register o meters commercial na aban say ye mo ntua sika kakra emra form even less than the consumer o tu fie o yusu sadia ba ya o mo nyuma na ho kira ba no say la utilities no son kele o mo na so ma fa nipa ba ko mienu bi adwuma o ma nyi o ma di. This is the kind of government ye hihya mo manfo enti duru ba bi a ahokyere ne ba wo hia aban president say Akufo-Addo the offense say ye papa na wa sha say one withdraw. He wouldn't withdraw because of withdraw ya ho kire no bio na o sa package e dia brem and unti ya botre obi a metena ha meka sa amamo no ye ye nyina betena ha ye won krofo wo demands anopa bia wontimi meet because of nema bi asesa kakra e wo economy no but I think say won kwana se nya president still also be koso aye akwan and no abo aduchum or ayi for boso for bonabaso ye nyintum and a school dan ayi sisi okuruma onim say TVET is the game changer in this country. The BIA can secondary education. Nipa bibiri ne ko from senior high school ni akọ tertiary we na akọ programs asabe. What the year juma practicals bia wo mo enye just will be for juma. And the TVET ya enhance na to the stand say sukua yes wonum say Marcel Vocational Institute wa hana na akọ bia no ko bia na ma me na hwe no bia na akufo ado na hwe no. Any other vocational school be a Ghana ha na nkrofo wo pese obakosua adwuma na ono awi otumi be decoration be ho a wona otwe na ban fa ni nyina wa absorb ye twe ni nyina hoka te se de akora bi ko secondary school eno nti enya adeketwa but enye ahokyere so nti na ye beti se be ye describe aba to platform so say asafo je ba on fa bi nhyere botom no kasa Ghana ayem we can do that say techiro man so that ochira say side difficulties ya sa ba bi wa Ghana for betimi asamanto ye betimi abot rabra ye mfili ahokyere ni say eno nti for anasam to nchen the only most important thing asafo je aba na ni perhwehwe free no say on kan kire say during the difficulties e dey no mo dey ba
all right kwakwa of je akwa aba na ho to say
me jo so man
ma me nchi ano pay
okay me da se ma me fa akwanya so nchia oni watifo na me nchia omo mo hwe wo Sompa TV na titru ye NDC4 magibra omo tie dwumadi
arrangement na ba we the new membership drive no
eguso
okay
still on course
okay ma me nchi
Omanhene edikan menu wa ma me se afem na please kasa na me wa
let's please
baby Omanhene
I don't want any interjection. Not one. No. The microphone is off. Mr. Manning Flow. No. You are not supposed. I am the moderator and I don't want any word. Mamin Tio.
Okay. Into Omanhene. Messian film. Na otia say President Mahama mo be scam. Now we draw attention say statement President Mahama make here. One personalizing.
Yeah.
It was about the government.
Yeah.
But he chose just to attack the personality of President Mahama. Or the infantun chain. Onwa otia also be a scam. I demonstrate say or yes scam chain will be a. What na when him when him afin the same do some you say you disconnecting America. You disconnecting it that way. Was here America time as soon. Ama you renew ye. And also about that way. Already Omanhene otia America abe Ghana dia nti ye ko renew contract ben uni an hand over America di ma viare what mfuturo wei agu Ghana fo ani what na ha atwa entro kase we
later you quote it
what you say otia and a quotation dia masa enie GOG hands over America power plant to VRA. This is on the voter rebel authority for on our website when you Ghana web ne wan ho bia Oko VRA for website to see Omanhene, you will find it. 2 and trouble aku try ya was a good one you saw a scam and say or say they are disconnected that as at last month. And now Owura Matthew Opoku prempe de beto abontin say. Omo ko pe cabinet approval no mu wi a omo bamra se bedwam abeje approval na relocate America.
It's not been done.
It's not been disconnected. It is still operating at Watakrade. The fact say there are plans. See a very relocating no subject to the approval and say I disconnect offer any proof say I'm married you are disconnecting and your juma bill in any case say if it is your contention say without a married any car power any action near you na enya dia ye be kodum so mu a eye da na mu renew car power one time no so mo power mu no mo nko ada na mu renew car power Omanhene Adea enhia na bia wadwuma mo bia kofa microphone na konso obi aba but obai no abeje wi ba hu ni say munhia se contract ni so a eye ko na adeko you go and renew it if it is not useful MPP for nko an ekura logic we o tie be ka so obi yes scam na wo yes scam mu wo ye hash papi mpo wo ye hash papi so dim hash papi fraud guy na no Nigeria FBI for actually wo ye hash papi. What you say because enyem ade an o se enye ne time so ye no wakọ renew why den enye America ya o te ye ne obastardizing na ehun corruption bo charge akun yi na di no were you not going to renew it mu renew ye and if it was not needed any impact, why do you go and renew it? In fact, in your bid to go and renew that agreement, because you inflated it. Emma Mampani Beka said he was misled. When your friend of proper scam, yes, how did you be at a move? Oman enti Oria on fa dansi die kese enfamra. Na for you who say asemo kan no kre. And enunye Ameri Power relocation contract to be brought to Parliament. Minister, story near by Ghana News Agency. And Oman mede eno so ato ho awie. You see, ye ka say amamuo we e scam. Ye wonyina so. Edikan Obampani Akufo-Addo ba. Oka kire say obesesa Ghana in 18 months. Okan na wanka.
He said it.
And then ye call the 7th year Ghana are transforming. Transformation ya yehwe no enu nie. Oban enu ye scam number 1. Okay, so be protected public purse. Ghana ye footwo no. Obebo ho ban said ye be ya yen waste sika. Omanhene enu no yi. In the year 2019 alone, Omampani foreign travels abrochiko any private jet cost Ghana 67 million Ghana cedis. Ebru wayo Mexican. 67, and it was even reported on BBC. You can check. 67 million Ghana cedis, more than 52.11. You try when you say why 67 just foreign travels because of Omampani a plane a luxurious jet. Omampani say on to me for commercial flight. Omampani say ne nine and kofa kona President Kufoto yenim. Ono tio President Kufuor 10 gram we akoto plane ya hwe no so aye plane na Kufuor say ono ne nan kum to ohia luxurious jet ene ye na ma Georgia de otenam de tukwan yeye we enya scam. Is this protected public purse? Protected public purse ni say wo be ma wunua Kenoforiata data bank abe financial transaction advisor na Ghana e bobisia no na sika na ekomu mabusuafo. Oman, I don't know protecting public purse. Some me no tie bre. Na besia ya so agu Ghana so no. Obi agi hu commission. Kenoforiata agi ne na busuafo na Akufo-Addo mo. E di sika na koto baabi. Na no free so obe enjoy from bed na abeto Ghana for so. O tie wani agi. Chese wo be didi mahama atem. Omanhene. Omampani Akufo-Addo ka chese obesi 350 senior high schools. Omanhene we. Minya intra ha. Omo ko 7 years for abam. Omo 5. Binyan. Ontina ha. SHS 350 no. Omo 5. On count 5 in their 7 years. And I am talking about SHS scratch to finish. Omanhene SHS no scratch to finish. And yes school blocks because I will deal with that. And yes school blocks because Omanhene Mahama pencil, yes, see school blocks bebre, yes, see dormitories bebre. And in fact, Nanado can say, obesi 350 SHS to augment or if you like cure infrastructure deficit in an year, 1 year complaining when this debate of free SHS by. Okay, so obesi the account no I expand the access. Meboa na say meboa. Enti MA school blocks. MA ni see 113 unit and no enye no ne county new brand new scratch to finish. They said the Mahama be community day schools 13 na was antimamo ye nyina ni ba bie wo. Ye namado ba uradu jama ye hu agrek ye hu obosomtwe ye hu opakoso oman unhu na wo ho na ni ho. These are new schools. Ye mo pick up ye my headmaster car enti ye mo buses. And no be na yehwehwe new schools are that na beka say me time na we abeka ho ebiem omanhene omanka so omo besia. And for the records aban way abo besia chen omampani bia wabedi Ghana so since Ghana started independence 400 unim say one hwe ya buy end of this year ye besia ya boy ye desktop ebetwam over 400 billion but the exchange rate in keka kon ebetwam over 400 billion to 120 in just 6 years. You have added more than 280 billion. Ebinsi da. Obi ano say Dr. Bawumia so aye adwuma Bank of Ghana da. Enti o my way ehia say ebo besia. In fact, o man meeting in the video ache o say akwan kura ye no. Ehia say ebo besia. Just told the rose. Meboa told the rose. Yes, the video is here. Ni afanya akwan ene kwabre koda kohwe. Masi, Omanhene wafa sa kwan na connecti masi besi meduma wahu. kona forward ni kɔhwɛ ene mu adana munto li na mu fanye we enye scam enye nada so you can't say now person will refuse to back your issues with evidence yantiana Dr. Baumia say wa arrested dollar edisa former owura David Asante appear to then IGP me na me ba nanu na Omanhene yama dollar ni bela na wo obeto exchange rate 4 cedis 20 pesos
4.2
ene atwam 10 Ghana cedis oti ha unin hu ahantan kasa na wobeka say na president mama is scam ono obefa no 120 1 cedi 20 pesos ay ejan 4 cedis 20 pesos in 8 years or adi 3 cedis wo obefa no 4 cedis 20 pesos ene ay over 10 o man tifrim 6 years tifrim
6 cedis
ubeto f year be wie yenim die beto yen we enye scam we so Omanhene kura na ka say eye scammer Omanhene enye scam wo onana akufo ado na wo ka kire say you are too old to steal oso wanyini wapo akokura so onwia esika in fact oso obe use anas principle in fact osi wo a wo pesika kura de enye na aban mu
go to the privacy
Omanhene na wo kan auditor general report krono e wa ban we mu obi asida plenty PDS yasi sabusuafo ne namfofo babafo nyina wom create company age electricity company of Ghana ECG adwuma nyina na de ahya omonsa according to Canada Japan man fa 1 peso anshem no makoko for ECG for na books no mo access e de akogye besi awurane na yetua bill dividends awon no mu hwia ema afa wo mampanu gitum se kro no wom na terminate ye yachi obi aman yachi obi Oman mi busa yati obi na ye ka we ya umre ho ase empa Ghana fo chewo krono a ekoso wa aban we mu boss Alfred Obin wonim say boss for na ye internal investigation implicating so ya we say ndisi for na kan ye kura boss na ka se wa bokrono boss da yi John Pone asenso Boakye omune maami tiwa case na de refi Oman media was senka me ba wa peja board blame you enyo so na mka say sa Ghana 60 bi no enwu sika e be wia o mo ka so be libraries across Kumasi there way Oman Kumasi there way Oman me che say aban we o ka de no wajade krono plenty Oman plenty wo ye wo kroma ama your friend is saying Australia visa scandal. Pausa jide ye ne den. See at ye say Michael Yaira. You suspect your Omanhene. You suspend your Omanhene. After ye hu microphone no. You say your Omanhene. Dey basis ne dey ka say your Omanhene. Oman dey basis ne ka say your Omanhene.
Monsieur.
Oman what you say? Ebiem yati ya Kennedy. O say opeso hu omampani a utua $20,000. Okay, I won't say anoma bakra bowa. A challenge no. See, me person me dwell on corruption is so much. But you see, me pinpointing me near say uno about that communication now. Can some out the hope be bema Ghana for? I would say oh, mine and a fuel electrum 50 Ghana cedis say 50.20. 50.20
gallon.
Yes, a gallon. This is a bro. Amount for 18 painting kwa. And the inflation, I said the echo. Auto at the end of 1 cedi or China, I say 1 cedi 50. And the seed, so far, mobile tune says Ghana cedis. So far, 16 Ghana cedis in there.
As a there's an issue that is raised. What different will you do?
Oh, mine, the
and no, Ghana for so now Ghana for pompo say Kotoaba. That's what Mumpen PPA.
But oh, mine, yeah, People's Manifesto. Say MPP cry will be a public document. Come to me, a big war, of course, we because one young but ultimately can't say Nina.
But Togo.
And I'm a boy, Nancy President Mama, go to Ghana Web and have 15 solutions to our current problem. But they will not listen. Economist, a friend said John Kwachi, say Papaya or try you.
Young Kwachi.
Was it being an economist? Yes. also being an economist in Ghana today and the Akufo-Addo difficult. Also 24 ontie. Also can be biachire na Akufo-Addo ontie. Asibe ebo Dr. Makasibe ebo. Dey na wan kan kira ban we.
February no ka so.
Dey na wan kan. And am call castrate 2 no if you are onye MPBO. And na dey o kan ye nyina abam. Monam kwan so amu wia COVID sika ye ka kire mo. And make us o ma wia because ye nya audio amu first vice chairperson and all ka so ma chase kana mo.
From the northern region.
Yes. And Osha, they were contradicting alone. President say COVID 17.7 a buy. Information Minister Kwajo say 19 billion. Dr. Baumia say 8 billion. Our budget say 25 over 25 billion. After the pussy can of Foriata say 12. Which is which? Oh my, which is which? The casa moya scammer or say on tiasie. Oh my own cratawi and then Opa Momo Majin run copy. Wait. Parliamentary memorandum submitted by the Honorable Minister for Finance dated 25th July 2018. This is all you need to know about the Kumasi Airport Phase 2. Meaning say in due course the debate will come up. It's about 50 pages. Make her sinipi without fear of contradiction. Kumasi Airport Phase 2 John Mahama. Opa Mame Mawe Omanhene, just read the background.
John Mahama,
John Mahama, the Sika Commission here, and their own Minister of Finance admits it in this document. Omanhene, just read, get the background. Just read the background. You open beer about the document. In fact, confidential. Wait, confidential. I want to everything you need to know. Sad debate we are best settled on this week.
Background information. Okay, 65 million euros, meboa. For the development.
The first statement. After the background,
it will be recalled that Cabinet and Parliament of Ghana granted approval in 2016 for the development of the Kumasi International Airport Phase 2.
Good.
Through the following, the buyer credit facility agreement with the government of Ghana.
All you need to know.
Ministry of Finance and Banco Santander SA and its affiliates, 65 million pounds. A tied commercial loan agreement between the government, 7.765, a commercial contract of 66. Okay.
We may run photocopies.
Mate.
Enti
Manusi
Manusi. Enti this debate MPP for Manuntum once. Now to pa onko phase 3, phase 4. And now phase 5,
phase 2 no ye. Your mama na je to ho.
Wadia to in fact your commission ya kwame Adinkra unia kwame Adinkra na AMC.
Omo commission dey say awie.
Untie. Mo friend say ye kate so.
Kate so.
Yes. Ye kate so. Unia kwame Adinkra. And another MC Opa friend. And on say now person almost shifted debate after the drawdown started say ban. Say 2019 ko Jessica bi. But document here finance minister on no assign what who be. Or just say the background is in relation to the loan and cabinet approval, parliamentary approval.
So it was already available for
to
receive.
Yes. And so amu pe bibia amu ko claim phase 3, phase 4. Phase 5, phase 6, phase 7, phase 8.
And I'm going to make loan near Adea Akye Parliament approval, but it may end up.
Sesikano beton
Kumau, it was a 10 key project. And so you
no be a disika monchine.
And so now I'm fine, Ejuma.
Untie, so obi amfa obi wajisika. Ghana for me no na ebetua. Nana Akufo-Addo tu abi.
Nipa na mfanya adwuma.
Wa mfanya adwuma we dey.
Oche no.
What is some so obi awie sika? What is say thank you project ye the original court.
Thank you very much. Kwakwa ma me bra uche.
Man, mamfa is what any be ngunu so nka ho. What free man pon. Owu abe hampa. Na adwuma na dem ma no. Na ose Kumasi airport discussion ye ba ye bio. Ye pa. Because what try fidie bebre so. Aka say John Mahama NC hospitals for Kumasi and Ashanti. Somebody said that be omoka. And we shall also come back to it. That be share. You been just this guy near.
Yeah, we'll have
time. So omoka say John Mahama is. I don't say airport to John Mahama. Until we come back to side discussion. I don't want to digress. No problem. Osime mano schools 5. Ye buy ya sha see yesi. O course okobana o JS Kufo senior high school ho. So okoban ha. Headmaster no your friend from Pono. As one say ha.
Yeah.
and I didn't call her to we are on call her. Yeah, sometimes the only day we are, I am percent common who will be from no, and common shut the plan for project sites, and I see what on call her. My mount 9 schools are. Yes, special schools will be in Ghana, and then almost the end of the end to me fire and to home because and so identity and nearby you see standards infrastructure account said the baby pager almost the end of the year until only do as mamma and school buildings because him said the year good KSTS and the bit me I do Muhammad DN5. But him said the year the KS TI Media Bro Muhammad school to Ampasi Bekika. A good so this anger, now but also or chocolate but yeah, no do call Ashanti region have quite so. We got so a creative art school now. We do a St. Peter's. High school no.
High school.
You don't even know anything. What they did the corner you know memoir. We have a kind of president who fulcrum or dama. And high schools now you see no. My catcher Dr. Matupuku Prempe, my catcher Dr. Luchum. They do not be fit say Omanhene Yaw University because we move power any one day. Omako Akope Airline University. A bro university say organ and baby. So and we have done 9 of these. Kumase regents maku 8 in benefit Ashanti region nyamu 2 ba ko na wo kwada so na ba ko president ku fulcrum da ba me no ka se wo fura Ashanti region kwa hafo akrodi okọ akrodi asa dan na yehunu wo president ku fulcrum no ebisi ho okọ ofura hafo a Kwabron East wanchi okọ wanchi a krobi wo ha friend kwase senior high I know a new school na na do danko akufo ado asi eye de wo da ban ya bia meka asi so de wo da ba no so that you don't compare it to Muhammad Yaw as if say a school bia a school na school kruma okọ central regional ba ku si dia so go to dia so obekona oho okọ eastern region abomusu and sometimes omo atimi ko fa abomusu de no share pictures ni say akufo ado kruma abomusu de mo hwe school ase so forgetting say akufo ado ase mienu ama asantefo
o say central de no wen
wo ayi dia so to go there okọ abehu okọ eastern region wo abomusu okọ greater Accra weja yesi ba ko ho okọ north east regional kwasimpe I don't know say ho pictures flyer pa wale empotem kwasimpe ho na wo and akọ western region wo ba ko awaso we a few of the schools are akufo ado ba no kre eno kraso we say 300 ya infrastructure beba ye see 300 na so said the entia opese on pese be kan school projects ho asem on pese be kan because the ye no krum ha ukwa okesa edan akufo ado abesi agu ho no classroom block dey am new dormitory no ho e bro mahama de no mako 5 ya ka so you don't want us to compare. Now let's come back to energy plants na no ka ho asem emede onim obo Dr. Napodi said Dr. Napo say yeah transfer Ameri everywhere me the so born Napodi and na me the message chiro wa hwe me ne Dr. Napo me ne Dr. Napo and now no 18th August yeah that was last week. I was on the program and they were making noise, so all the plants are on stream.
Okay,
then I'm sitting there, so I sent him a message. I'm on the show, I need a quick update. Are we operating all the power plants brought in by Mahama at the moment, please? And I'm reading this private message.
What was this response?
Also no. Some on servicing, maintenance, retooling, etc. Never are all plans on stream. We are not catching them say Ameri, for example, is offline because contracts ended.
WhatsApp chat.
Yes, only
WhatsApp chat.
Oh, father. Oh, no. What to me verify there? What to me go to no? Last time they want to me verify this. Maybe I not. Tobo Baba.
So, Casa on in Napodi, come on.
Time I'm Sunday.
Doctor.
But at least then let us call somebody. Oh, energy and
I will go to the
No. This is a private.
Hello.
A private chat.
He just brought it up, sir. The energy minister has confirmed. My producer should call either Greco or one of them. They're finding out say whether or not say Ameri is in operation.
Yes.
You're finding
out. I'm sending minister message. You know, offline. I'm a friend ministry. Baba Tofik. Oh no, ministry in PR.
That's right.
And I'm sending the same message. I'm a response. Also, terms of agreement of AXA has expired, so until extension, it is not in use.
Can my producer get me
it's not on use.
Anybody
so,
from that?
PRO
from there, please.
I'm say, or call to Dr. Napo. Ghana, so we'll be trying to I mean, maybe about electricity. So, who peak demand? Let's say 4,000. You must always have generation capacity above 4,000. because at any point in time so ya ben awon this amamu a obepa on crop for bedasuma any of the plants can get fault about fault na maintenance then you bring in standby plants na every day omo generate no na do ma ashim is the reason why ya to ha ya catch am say no credit say mahama plants dey na here to the stand say some of them no want to be yes agoro adwuma say de na si nchen na o hia na waso no omo say o de ye betena krum ha ya generator you betua say yes and scan your man for their take or pay mon family man generator kra monye Ghana fuska and that is the kind of agreement mahama sama and he says obi yes scam the mahama say obi yes scam na do dan ko akufo ado asema wo kan wa betena keka bia obi ye kromfo baaye ade odi kan ye ma Ghana for na sese krono ye betimi atu ase wa mamuma you must give power to an independent officer ono a onsuro bi obechi nkrofo eno nti ne kofa office of special prosecutor ye kofa baaye no ye kofa NDC ni na beto ano sika no hia nyina de mana no osusu onyeska enso your corner account we koduru ye no neska kora kota account mo neska no kromu nyusu bi da ene ye te ho makofa labianka issue aba labianka oba no nka so MPP ni onye Ajaben, Kisia Jaben, Kufado na appoint no. No investigate no. That is how we fight corruption. One kasa more the general Mahama. Eka says this. One day I'm gonna free power then buy. Some or say there has not been a government in this country was support to Ghana or this service than a Kufado da. Said the bayo betting you majuma. You buy now all this service almost staff highly underrated. Odo mo ye adwuma omontumi ye buy ya more clearance amoma recruit nipa bebre cars makuma over 300 the ma order service that is how we fight corruption.
Hold it there for me. Mamini Kojopo Kunchen Komo, when it comes to energy, he's an energy expert. Kojobi Moache
Mitchell Mijoso Mitchell with your phone now sentiment.
Kojobi Pacho Buame Kaka, there's a debate going on. Mary, is it any AXA? At the moment, are they in operation and I say, and never been to know, and yet you must see her?
No, Mary, I'm some Mokaya. Mary, no, not for 5 years. Almost agreement Mary for no be buying, say into a plant, or more a transfer to government. I could be very for her. Into Mary, no, a buy, me acquisition contract, na yeniska. For no middlemen, the agreement was that almost the yen talk about the over 5 years. 5 years now so. Into also more transfer assets, which is a plant, to government, which has happened sometime last year. Into that American company is no longer around, but the plant generating plants now belongs to the government of Ghana.
I mean, Pacho, is it in operation? Is it in mainstream? Ekaya Energy
no, it's not Ekaya Energy. AXA and Ekaya Energy makes all. They are not in operation.
Not in operation at the moment.
No, they are not in operation at the moment.
Right.
Mary has not been working because they so these are plants, about Santimuna Kumasi and area. Na yabe installed on the generator also. Currently, America doesn't work.
Thank you very much, Kojo. It's confirmed.
And you're on the confirmation of the Edma.
Listen to me. I want you also to listen. I want you make that good point. You make that good point because let me tell you, the Minister of Energy, the Minister of Energy, the reason why I'm just saying it is a private conversation between you. This young man, is say he's an expert in energy. He has always worked with government institutions when it comes to energy. I didn't call just anybody on the streets. I agree and accept Kojo Poku as somebody about energy. Wow, Kasa Ghana for Jinitum. Wababe
I come Ghana for more. Maybe or high, I will crum her. Say, I renegotiate Tankasabri, Kakra, de crude, and Kedi Tuamoka, even when they are not generating. I don't know, Mamu Papa. You get it? And only a memo because take or pay. Most of somebody to I must say, politician my contract to be urgent for some. And so what motivated John Mahama to go into such agreements? So the more canon, more did say ampa. A day to John Mahama because catch Ghana for Sikana, Yana and Soyano. You to my company or then a plant to free by Yabisua, American, because that time, they had a sumumpo. They had a sumu. So if he needed power for us and Kobato crude or Gumama, Sabre da can have better sumo, and to some passa kick back or what? Not just a sumo, they not John Mahama, they can kick back. Scam Ben a child John Mahama. Scam Ben, I want us to discuss the issue of a transfer. I have admitted on this platform, say, Nanando, Danko Kufuado, and Memo, no, the opinion and what to me, but baby, I who say, yeah, and what they are talking about man for. I want you to buy. Yeah, we don't want to change our mind one day and say intervention said by a year for just like that because if you are, I want you for a side man for no more.
Thank you very much.
We will come back and discuss here one day. What I want us to do, we will not debate. We will not come and debate. We will come and do discussion.
We are going to have a discussion on
a discussion on
the.
You will come and discuss
airport on
hospitals.
Mama, we will have it. You, the two of you, next week. Mama, you say Wednesday, Grandma. Hey, as of a J rapper for me.
I say one of the key things on Mudi go by moi. Na HS and another born home or corruption. And it's all create the Office of Special Prosecutor. Now, man, for Bia to some cofa NDC name at Yamidu. And I will be an amount for Nam Kofa NDC Nino, Anna Mujini Dino, or Becca say, Nana Kufuado, and the mother serpent of corruption. Just a corruption move bad time. Oh, corruption more in Nanadu need.
No, because a mother serpent.
Mother serpent, Onyini me
awo mu akese pa
awo mu ano chese corruption no de odimu chenchirenche pa no na na Kufuado Matia mi du ene o ka se mokofa no achievement no obetena office wo ye nhwehwemu no o se na nadu si ni kwan so obekon katahye ne proye and that oye ha na nadu asia ne ha ofa no asia no oye so ochiwe ni afa enti nanadu the mother serpent of corruption on kura be di adanse e be fo aso se nanadu corrupt and nano na MPP ni bi ka chem say enti said ye no mo ka say nanado nye corrupt NDC mpeko and no betimi aka biu today o ka say nanado betimi abegina ba bi aka say I am incorruptible o man kan kure etoso biu for the records or say take or pay enye eso aban we buy tema LNG one na ye take or pay tema LNG you can read about it tema LNG one na ye take or pay and na ma ye chiri ye se and now I tiri oman ye de ese che na oman say time na so
time
you see one of the greatest corruption ever to hit Ghana Anas number 12 and the pan na do hun to manyina Anas expose number 12 TV so ne hu kwadwo nyantachi ye hu kwadwo nyantachi kwasi nyantachi na kwasi nyantachi
and what has it got to do with Anas?
It has everything to do with the president because some video na buy FIFA ahun say wonyina so am ya sanction kwasi nyantachi meboa.
That's right.
What has Nanado done?
Leave it there for me. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Na mempeja mi mu na nyame ya adomo a ekira brother. Yeah, another edition of Adea Akye Abia, bro. Thanks so much, Kwakwasa Foje, Deputy Communication Officer, aspiring to be Communication Officer Extraordinaire. And now, Kwakwa takes over the helm of affairs. So, as the Communication Officer for Asante Mantemwa, now Okada National Communication Team, just Asante Mantemwa there on a Jumedi in the city now. So, every Saturday, we'll be featuring a lot of them on my debate, but I can promise our people say, Eba Akwan, Ensio, and Kania Suku, any airport and infrastructure, Asante Mantemwa, give us some time. I'll invite the two of them and we'll have a discussion on it. Now, be adding the documents, Akwan my Ensio, Nisaniamano, I'll be going on. Who say, Asante Mantemwa, say, Ba Membua, why pa, and a bum punti on the brass Antema. We'll look at that. Yes.
Dr. Baumiaba how kwan ho no okay so my a little over 1,100 kilometers so okay meboa okay now we are made the press regional minister Onmunyanfo Simo Semensako also my 1,518 kilometers.
Yes.
Which is which? Because Dr. Bawumia was here just July.
But Dr. Bawumia said
1,100. Oh, me what was
so I say 1,001.
1,001.
I don't know, 1,500.
I Chirim.
Yeah. I will do road contracts over 6,000 kilometers.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I will do over
6,000. Yeah.
As of that time, Oba and Oba commission 100 kilometers of inner city roads. No, you come say. And you can't. You near complete here. Or that time. A president, a vice president, about 1,000, less than 1,100. And a regional minister haven't gone back to site. Regional minister, I was part of it. You call around to build her contrast and and now where you did no airports and the day know the call. And every day we keep updating the figures because it is you see out of a total of over 6,000.
My time is up. My time is up.
You have the slides. You have the slides. Tell him.
Over 1,180 kilometers of roads completed in Ashanti region since 2017. This is dated 1st August year. Then the regional minister also the crowd and
also 1,500.
Also say Ashanti region in focus 1,515 of roads completed in 5 years.
1,115.
1,515.
Now. Then one also be chantro.
Because vice by August
by next week no maybe is aquino.
Or see 1,100 and normal completed since 2017. So you gave him all the data from since
Akufo-Addo. Now you have added about 400.
Over 400 anyway.
Okay. Hold your breath. We'll have a discuss on that. Sit down. My time is sorry. I won't sorry, sir. Trust
Regional minister called.
All the figures.
Or say Department of Urban Rules. Okay. My completed. Also completed. 509.30.
Thank you very much.
Ghana Highway Authority.
Give it to me. I'll put it there. My time as well. No, my time as well. Let me leave it there. Full time as soon. This sports new who dey by got 2 minutes time no question. Nyame ya adoma ye besa hia we'll have the debate. Samre ye dey futuo tiawa every a year 21st clinic bro. Be wasum ne tie na ye mfa nto amoso. Be ni Omanhene Yaw wa.
Ti unipeduase a wote ayaresase. Esono se wo apomuden